Price TV. Subscribe now.
It's difficult to say what we truly know in regards to the Tesla Model 3. Outside of Motor Trend, no genuine outlet of car news coverage has investigated one, and with only 260 illustrations worked in the last quarter, even reservation holders have no clue what their auto resembles. At any rate, we know how far it'll go on a charge, 310 miles, as indicated by the EPA. The Verge initially found the official EPA rating for the new Model 3, which gave the all-electric vehicle a rating of 131 city, 120 interstate, for a consolidated rating of 126. We should call attention to that these range and proficiency evaluations are for a Model 3 long range, which begins at $44,000. The EPA guaranteed run assert lines up almost precisely with what Tesla guaranteed the long-range variation would do. How far will you have the capacity to drive in your base show $35,000 Model 3? No numbers from the EPA yet Tesla said the non-long-range adaptation would have only 220 miles of range. Up until now, it appears, of the little modest bunch of Model 3s that have been constructed, throughout the entire range cases, Tesla doesn't plan to begin building standard forms until 2018.